Welcome to our channel. Setting up direct deposit with the IRS ensures you receive your tax refund quickly and securely. Follow these step-by-step instructions to apply. Step 1. Prepare your bank account information. You'll need your bank's routing number and your checking or savings account number. This information can be found on your checks or by contacting your bank. Step 2. If you're filing your tax return electronically, look for the direct deposit section in your tax software. Most programs have a dedicated section for refund options. Step 3. Select direct deposit as your refund method when prompted by the tax software or on the paper form if filing by mail. Step 4. Enter your bank's routing number carefully. This 9-digit number identifies your financial institution. Double-check to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Enter your account number exactly as it appears on your bank statement. Make sure you select the correct account type, checking or savings. Step 6. If filing a paper return using Form 1040, find lines 21B through 21D in the refund section. Fill in your routing number, and account type. Step 7. Review all entered information carefully before submitting your tax return. Any errors in routing or account numbers will delay your refund. Step 8. Submit your tax return electronically or mail your paper return to the IRS. Direct deposit information is processed along with your return. Step 9. Track your refund status using the IRS. Where's My Refund tool at irs.gov. Direct deposits typically arrive within 21 days of filing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.